Hi guys, welcome back. Ruby here. So today you guys, I am going to do my brow. Now you can see I don't have on any brow here. I'll shave it off. So I already do one brow and then I'm going to do the other brow. You can use a brow pomade, what you have, your pencil. So if you want to use a brow pomade, this is the brow pomade. Here I will use this, and then I also will use a pencil just alone. So I have two pencils. This one is from the beauty supply and I think this is from Wet n Wild. So what I always like to do is just my brow here, right here, and then I just mark my brow. So you can see this pencil is not bright. Your pencil don't have to be bright. As for me, I don't like a dark brow, so I always make sure that I use a brownish pencil, and then I'm just going down here because I don't have much brow anymore. I always prefer to get it shaved, and if I do shave my brow, I always make sure that it's better for me. I can always like mark my brow with a pencil. It's easier. Now I have this from Elf, which is the brow lift here. If you have hair on your brow, you can use this, and even if you don't have hair, you can use this. So I always like, because when I do this, my brow does last long here, and you can see it's not like a lot I'm putting on. So if you have a concealer, use a concealer. If you don't have a concealer and you have a foundation, you use it, and make sure your foundation is one shade lighter. So I'm using this amount of foundation on my brow here, and I'm going to apply the foundation here. So usually I mostly sometimes use a concealer, but sometimes I like to go in and use also a foundation. And usually I like to carry the marking from here, and then I go in like this with the rest and the brush, and I do, and this is, you can see the brush I'm using, this is from Lucky, and then I just go here and just mark my brow like this, and then I just make sure that I blend it out. So I'm using this brush today. If you have a smaller brush like a foundation brush or a blending brush, just a smaller brush you can use, but I like to use one of these brush because I don't want my brow to, and sometimes I do take the brush in the foundation and go out here to feather out inner part of my brow here, and then I just, everybody do their brush different, their brow different, and you know, brow hasn't really, brow is not something that really brothers or sister. So then I'm gonna go over this one here and just carry it like this, and I'm just slightly using the tip of the pencil to just carve out the brow. So because one of the pencil is brighter than the other, so I'm not looking for a big brow, I'm just looking for a small brow, and you can see. So I go in and I feather out, then I go back here, and because I'm looking, I can use this one like this pencil and brighten the brow like how the other one are brightening. And as I said, I get my brow better when I don't have hair on my brow, like how some people have the brow, a lot of hair. I feel better without the hair on my brow. So most of the time I do shave the brow off. And as you can see, brow never be sisters. Some people really can have their brow look like sister, but because my brow grow funny, this one always grow up and then this one grow down. So that's why I always have problem with it. And then I would just use the tip of this and I just feather out right here at my brow here, right here. I feather it out. Just feather out right here. That's why most time I don't do my brow on camera. I make sure I do it off camera because I know I don't have that good. So this is my brow, you guys. So thank you again for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and like, and do comment. God bless you. Ciao.